Morning, I'm Frank Buckley. The first day of classes for LAUSD just a few weeks away. All students and staff will now be required to test regularly for the coronavirus due to the latest surge of cases. What parents need to know just ahead.
Good morning to you. I'm Christina Pascucci live in Hollywood. New internal CDC documents reveal just how infectious the Delta variant is. This as President Biden has new vaccination mandates. We will break it all down coming up.
Good morning, I'm Jessica Holmes. Some power players coming to the Dodgers and the Lakers in blockbuster trade deals. More on this just ahead.
Coming up, legendary stuntman Eddie Braun is telling us how he's taken the fall for some of Hollywood's biggest names.
Good morning, happy Friday, TGIF. I'm Kirk Hawkins, filling in for Mark Kriske. Not only is it National Cheesecake Day, but it's also a stunning start to the day all across the Southland. Plenty of sunshine to show you, especially in this live picture from LAX. Your zone forecast for today. We can see a high of 74 along the coast, 83 downtown LA, 98 in the San Fernando Valley. Look for partly cloudy skies, patchy areas of fog, probably going to start burning off soon. We should see 88 Orange County, 99 in the Inland Empire, 87 in the high, 99 in the Inland Empire, 101 in the high desert. A chance of thunderstorms later today. More on your forecast coming up. Frank, back to you.
And now to the latest on the coronavirus pandemic. Leaked CDC documents are revealing more insight about the dangers of the Delta variant and just how quickly it can spread. KTLA's Christina Pascucci joins us live from Hollywood with more on that. Christina, good morning.
Hi, Frank. Good morning. According to new internal CDC documents released by the Washington Post, the Delta variant is considered one of the most contagious viruses we have ever seen. And that is why President Biden is saying he wants to mandate vaccinations for federal employees.
It's a pandemic of the unvaccinated. There are about 90 million Americans who are eligible to get the shot, but haven't gotten it yet. As I just mentioned, nearly all of the cases, hospitalizations and deaths due to COVID-19 today are from unvaccinated people.
This map illustrates anywhere you see red is where cases are on the rise. Deep red represents where cases are up exponentially. And in LA County alone, cases have increased more than 109%. Those CDC documents I talked about, they really talk about how rapidly Delta spreads. Originally, one person with COVID could spread it to 2 to 3 people. The Delta variant spreads it to 5 to 9. Researchers say vaccinated people can transmit Delta, though the majority of transmission is still by unvaccinated. On Thursday, President Biden announced several moves he hopes will increase the number of people getting vaccinated, including requiring every federal employee to attest they've gotten the shot. Those who can't attest will be required to wear a mask, get tested up to twice weekly, and socially distance. The president's order will impact 2.1 million workers. Our epidemiologist weighs in.
If you are vaccinated, these vaccines are still going to protect you very well. This virus is circulating quickly. It is more contagious. It causes more severe disease. So your risks are higher. This is not the same game that we were playing months ago.
The president is also asking his administration to apply similar standards to federal contractors in the private sector. He's expanding reimbursements to employers who give paid time off to employees to get the shot, and he's encouraging states and local governments to use federal funds to give $100 as an incentive.
In order for us to avoid having future variants emerge, we need more people to be vaccinated for this to work. It's not about you. It's not about me. It's about us. We want our kids back in school. We want them safe, and we want our society to remain open. That requires everybody to do their part.
And Dr. Ann Ramon, who you just heard from, is an infectious disease expert. She said she thinks the CDC needs to step up their guidance and take it even a step further and require people who have been vaccinated, even if they've been vaccinated, to quarantine if they've come into contact with an infected person. That is latest for now. I'm Christina Pascucci reporting live from Hollywood for KTLA 5 News.
Christina, thank you. Rising COVID-19 cases in LA County appear to be fueled by residents living in more affluent communities. That's according to the county's public health department. Dr. Barbara Ferrer says the communities of Beverly Hills, Bel Air, Beverly Crest, Venice, and Sherman Oaks are driving